This time we have conductance given and we're supposed to find the resistance. Resistance is equal reciprocal of the conductance. So R for this conductance is going to be 1 over G, which is equal 3.03 millisiemens, which is equal 300 torr ohms. Let's take a look at another one. We have conductance equals 434.78 millisiemens. I have to find the resistance. Resistance is equal 1 over conductance, which is equal 434.78 millisiemens, which is equal 2.3 ohms. Next one, I have G equals 50 microsiemens. R is equal 1 divided by 50 microsiemens, which is equal 20 kiloohms. Next one, I have 3.85 microsiemens. R is equal 1 divided by 3.85 microsiemens is equal 260 kiloohms approximately. We have G equals 1.47 microsiemens. R is equal 1 divided by 1.47 microsiemens is equal 680 kiloohms. And I have 454.56 nano is going to be equal, I'm going to write over here, R equals 1 divided by 454.56 nanoseconds is equal 2.2 mega ohms. These are the solutions to these problems. In order to get the right answers, you have to make sure that you are going to enter into the calculator the proper powers of 10 corresponding to the given prefixes. Anytime you are going to see milli, you're supposed to type on your calculator button EXP or double, it depends from the type of the calculator which you have, and make sure that anytime you will do your calculations, you are going to read the answer obtained on your calculator also with the proper power of 10. Your answer is supposed to come out also with the prefix. If you deal with very high numbers or very low numbers, you have to be very careful about it.